Okay, now let's look at the operation of complex number. So over here, we'll be seeing the operation of plus, minus, and multiply only. The division is going to be taught in class. Alright, so whenever you have this operation of complex number, which is plus, minus, and multiply, what you have to do is you group your real and imaginary part together. Now, recall back, your real number will be A plus by, your imaginary part will be B, and then this is I. Okay, so this is complex number. Now let's look at the example. If they ask you to express the following in term of A plus BI, mean this one is your complex number. And it is given to you 4 plus 3i, one complex number, plus, which is another complex number, 2 minus by 5i. So basically it's easy, just combine or group your real with real, imaginary with imaginary. So let's look at over here. Your real part here is 4 for the first one, and the second one is 2. So you combine or collect together, so you're going to have 4 plus by 2. Okay, as easy that is. And then plus with your imaginary part. Imaginary part here is 3i and with negative 5i. So you combine it. So you're going to get over here plus 3i minus by 5i. And then you simplify. As such, you will get your answer is equivalent to 6 plus by, this one will give you 3i minus by 5i, which is negative 2i. So negative 2i, so plus and minus, simplify as such, you're going to get 6 minus by 2i. As easy as it is. Okay, that is the operation plus. So now let's look at if you are given negative 3 plus by 5i with minus another complex number, 3 minus by 2i. Again, it's the same concept. Collect your real with real, which is negative 3 and 3. So you're going to have over here is equivalent to negative 3. This is negative. You can open up your bracket. Okay, so negative 3, if let's say this one plus 5i, minus by negative 3. This one minus and minus will become plus by 2i. So basically, if you collect, you can collect it as negative 3 and negative 3 together. So you're going to have negative 3 minus negative 3. And then plus by 5i plus by 2i. So you combine, you're going to have 5i plus by 2i. Okay, and then you simplify. As such, negative 3 minus negative 3 will give you negative 6. Plus by 5i plus by 2i, you got 7i. So as such, your answer is this. Now, let's look at another one for multiplying. Okay, let's say you are given 1 minus by 2i, multiply another complex number, 2 minus by 3i. So again, what I would do here is that I expand the factors. Okay, expand one by one. So the first expansion, 1 multiplied by 2. So you're going to have over here 2. And then 1 multiplied by negative 3i, you're going to have minus by 3i. Okay, and then I expand for the second part, which is this negative 2i multiplied by 2, which give us negative 4i. And negative 2i multiplied by negative 3i will give us plus by 6i, which is you have I multiplied by I, give us I square. Okay, now there are a few things that you have to see over here. First, you can collect this 3i and 3i, the negative 3i and negative 4i together, but this I square, you have to use the properties of I, which give you I square equivalent to negative 1. As such, you have to simplify. You cannot leave it as just I square. So if this is I square equivalent to negative 1, so you have to rewrite 2. Now, this one will be plus by 6 multiplied by negative 1. And the imaginary part here, you can actually simplify such negative 3i minus 4i, just going to give us negative 7i. Now, over here, if you look at 6 multiplied by negative 1, you can simplify. You're going to get 2 minus by 6 minus by 7i. As such, this one simplify will give us negative 4 minus by 7i. So that would be your final answer. We're in the form of A plus by BI. Are you okay?